Most globes have a network of imaginary lines. These lines are used to identify the position or location of any place on Earth. It means every location on Earth has an address, even in the middle of the woods. These lines are called lines of latitude and lines of longitude, and they are measured in degrees, which is the little tiny circle next to the number. The lines parallel to the equator, so here's the equator, are called lines of latitude or parallels. That means they all go the same way and they're an equal distance apart. On this map, they are labeled every 15 degrees. 0 degrees, 15 degrees north, 30 degrees north, it's every 15 degrees. But there are still lines at 1 degrees north, 2 degree north, 3 degree north. But it's hard, if we were to cover the entire map with all the lines, the imaginary lines, you wouldn't see anything underneath it. So not all the lines of latitude are shown. A way to help you remember that latitude is parallel to the equator is that the lines of latitude, which sounds like ladder, lie like the rungs on a ladder. Lines that run from the North Pole to the South Pole are called lines of longitude or meridians. The prime meridian runs through Africa, and that is 0 degrees longitude. The other lines of longitude measure distance east or west of the prime meridian. So here's east and this is west. The United States is on the west side. The lines of longitude on this picture are also labeled every 15 degrees. Not all the lines of longitude are shown. Don't forget, you have to include the degree symbol and the direction when you're giving the line of longitude or latitude. If I were to give right here, and I wanted to say, what's this line of longitude? Well, I would say here's 30 degrees, here's 45 degrees. And it looks like it's like 2 degrees over. So this would be 32 degrees east. Now, a way to help you remember lines of longitude is that they are long, longitude, long, and they run from the north to the South Pole. So long lines for longitude. Lines of latitude are always the same distance apart from each other, but that is not true of lines of longitude. They are closer together at the poles and farther apart at the equator.